In this lesson, we'll learn the characters ga, gi, gu, ge, go. To start, let's talk about the dakten. The dakten is a marking that looks like quotation marks on the top right corner of a character. Adding a dakten to a character changes its consonant sound. For example, this character, ka, would change to ga. There's a total of 20 characters in hiragana with a dakten variation. To review, what is this character? Ka. Ka with the dakten is pronounced ga. Egao. Egao. Kega. Kega. Kaigai. Kaigai. What is this character? Ki. Ki with the dakten is pronounced gi. Kagi. Kagi. Kaigi. Kaigi. What is this character? Ku. Ku with the dakten is pronounced gu. Kagu. Kagu. What is this character? Ke. Ke with the dakten is pronounced ge. Kage. Kage. What is this character? Ko. Ko with the dakten is pronounced go. Ago. Ago. Ugoku. Ugoku. Eigo. Eigo.